people going to bother buying your online course if they can get everything already for free on the internet? Well, the answer to that is, of course, they're going to. And the main difference between the free stuff that you can get online and a course is the fact that you are involved, the facilitator, the teacher, your amazing head, your amazing answers, experience and knowledge that can help guide people through. Now, if you go online and you type in a question, the chances are you're going to be waffling through a huge amount of probably low quality content to find the exact answer that you're asking for. You're going to spend a lot of your time being wasted looking and searching and scrolling through a whole range of stuff to find out what it is that you need to know. When you have a course that has been structured properly in order, the chances are you're going to get to your answer a heck of a lot quicker without having to scroll through loads of junk. The second thing is having a course means your students, you, whoever it is that's taking the course, is more likely to have reliable, up-to-date, contextualized information that actually suits the specific context or environment or situation of that particular avatar, that particular niche that course was designed for. Secondly is how up to date it's going to be. If it's a course that's been created, the chances are the course creator is keeping that course constantly updated compared to stuff on the internet you might find. Yes, it might be the right question matching the right answer to your search results, but that video could have been produced like 6 years ago. So when it comes to questioning whether people are going to buy an online course from you when they can go online and get all of this free information, don't question any further, my friend. Your course is going to save people time. It's going to save them money by getting to the shortcuts. It's going to give them access to you as the expert who can answer their more specific or contextualized or personal individual questions. And it's going to give them up-to-date information that's provided by somebody who cares in a structured, organized, logical way that cuts out all of the fluff and fast tracks them to the result that they're going for. There is always room for you, your course, your books, your training, your coaching, and your consulting. So go for it.